Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Heroes of History Error Code 40. The error comes when users try to purchase the monthly subscription pack, or anything else, but the payment doesn't go through and throws this error. According to the reports, this error could be caused by a store-side issue, expired payment method, or a temporary glitch with the game. The first thing we suggest is to close the game completely, then restart your device and try again. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if the game has any new updates available. If yes, update the game and then see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, verify if the card you're using is still valid and hasn't expired. If needed, update the payment details and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, try using a different card or any alternate payment method and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, it could be a system issue from the game's side. So wait for a while and try again. If nothing helps, contact the game support and see if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.